Hi everyone. So in today's video we are going to see pure Georgette Shibori sarees with Banaras border. So yeah, this is the saree. These are extremely lightweight and very beautiful collection also. In this we have 5 colors. The one which I am wearing is in the green color. So these are not casual sarees. These are semi party wear or party wear sarees. You can see on the other side of the border of the saree, you will be getting a nice Banaras gold zari weaving. So this is the back side. So this thread doesn't come out. So these are like extremely very beautiful, and I prefer this because people who are little chubby, we prefer to wear some lightweight sarees which looks rich as well. So this is how it looks. This is the first saree. The first saree which I am wearing is in the green with the black color combination. So you will be getting a black color blouse. So the same blouse that I am wearing. So black so this is saree number 1. So this is how it looks, and the pallu. So full border, you will be getting big border on the other side of the saree. So this is the pallu with the cute tassels in this green and black color combination. Okay, so this is saree number 1 which I am wearing. So these are new in the market, and as well as a very beautiful and very lightweight and easy collection, easy to wear collection. So if you see, yes, this is how it looks. If you put the pleat, it looks very rich. As per your comfort, you can wear it on the single pleat also. These are like pure Georgette. These are not semi Georgette. So these are pure, completely pure Georgette. So these are little costly. So this is completely flowy, and yes, this is how it looks. So the one I am wearing, this is saree number 1. Now in this we'll see the colors. So this is in the purple and the pink color combination. It's also very beautiful, you can see. So this small it is. It's very comfortable and lightweight also. This is pink with the purple color combination. So this is how you get. This is the pallu you will be getting. Okay. So yeah, this is in the purple and the pink color combination with the dark navy blue color Banaras border you will be getting. So this is how it. So this is the rich part. If you wear like this, it looks absolutely beautiful. So in this we got in different materials before. So first time in Georgette we are getting blouse. Yeah. Okay. So the blouse also you will get it in a rich way for all the sarees. So this you can get it for the hands, and this is a dark navy blue color blouse. Blouse illa pettadu manchi pettu worth petti eto ostadi design ittara illa pettali appu telustundi top correct ga vallaki. Okay na? So yeah, this is the blouse you will be getting for this saree, and this is how it looks. So when you put the frills, it comes on the shoulder, and this is the blouse with same Banaras zari weaving you will be getting. So this is not some cheap zari work and all. So this is Banaras weaving on Georgette. So this is how it looks. This is purple with the pink color combination. I just paid it with the normal simple black blouse, but the blouse you will be getting in that way. Okay, this is purple with the pink color combination. So this is the border you will be getting. So this is the pallu. The whole saree is in pure Georgette, in the pure Georgette with shibori print you will be getting. So this is how it looks. So this is in the purple pink with the dark navy blue color combination. Okay, yeah, this is saree number 2. Hope it's clear. This is saree number 2. Next saree. So next is in the blue and blue color combination. This is in the nice anand blue with the dark navy blue color combination. So this is the pallu. So this is the whole saree text design, or the color contrast will be like this. So this is all the shibori print on Georgette. So 2-3 kind of works.
Plain
2-3 kind of works have been done on this saree, which is Georgette. This is Banaras Zari weaving. Banaras Zari weaving and also shibori print. So this is how it looks. So for this you have got the plain blouse, plain rather plain. Okay. So for this, okay, for this you might get a plain blouse or a work blouse. So for this they have given the plain dark navy blue blouse. So you can just go with the normal gold border also. So this is in the blue and the dark navy blue color combination. So yeah, this is also a very beautiful piece. So yes, this is how it looks. If you put the pleat, it looks like this. Okay, the price is 2350. These are all okay. This is in the pure Georgette with the shibori print. Okay, this is how it looks. So this comes in the antique color. So the one which I am wearing, it comes in the gold zari. So according to the color, so for this blue and blue, you have got the antique zari weaving you have got, and this is how it looks. So normal shibori will be a casual wear, shibori with Banaras border. So this is a party wear. Okay, this is how it looks. Blue and blue, a very beautiful color combination, and this is the pallu with the tassels. This is sari number 3. Okay, blue and blue. Next is nice bright pink with the dark navy blue color combination. A very beautiful piece. All the colors in this sari are very beautiful. Blouse. So this is the shibori pattern you will be getting with the Banaras border, dark blue. So you'll be getting plain blouse only for all those. Only for one you have got the designer blouse. So for that only I have wore a plain black blouse with small zari border. So this is a very beautiful and a bright color combination. This is in the reddish pink with the dark navy blue. So this is the dark blue color, same contrast color, plain blouse you'll be getting. Okay, this is how it looks. So all are like extremely very soft and lightweight, very easy to carry, and at the same time it looks very elegant and rich as well. So this is in the dark pink with the navy blue color combination. So this is the exact color. So this is like very lightweight, you can see. Okay, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is sari number 4 with this kind of border. This is in the pink with the dark navy blue color combination. Okay, yes, the last sari for this show. This is in the peacock color combination. This is the peacock blue and the peacock green. This is completely a peacock color combination, you can see. So this is a like shibori print you will be getting all over. So this is in the peacock color combination. So the exact peacock. So yeah. So just to mention, for some of the blouses we got it with the designer pattern, and some blouses we have got it in the plain. Please note that when you are ordering. So that comes in the manufacturing, I can't do anything. So I personally feel, other than this design, I feel very good with the plain blouse itself, like how I'm wearing. It looks very good for the plain blouse. Okay, this is in the peacock blue and peacock green color combination. Okay, so in the dark navy blue border you will be getting. So this is how it looks. A very beautiful color combination. So it's simply a peacock color combination. You can mention it as peacock color combination. So in the peacock blue and the peacock green color, it's a very beautiful color. Other than color, the color combination or the contrast is very beautiful. So this Banaras zari weaving border. So this is also not stiff. The border weaving also, it's very soft because the base cloth is georgette for this. So yeah, this is how it looks. Peacock green, peacock color combination. This is peacock green with the dark navy blue. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. So in this we have seen 5 or 6. We have seen 5 color combinations in this catalog. Like whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message me. So yeah, this is the last one. So I'm just showing you again in the peacock color combination. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks, and this is the pallu. You see. So the one I'm wearing is in the green and the black color combination. So yes, so these are also fancy or semi party wear or party wear collections. So this is Banaras Shibori, pure georgette Shibori print all over with the Banaras border. Okay, yes, like we have seen all the 5 colors, and this is how it looks, the pallu and all. So this is the overall look for this saree on single plate. Yes, thank you so much. Whoever wants to book, please message me or comment me down with your color of your interest. Thank you.